Madurai. But basically, I did my engineering in computer science in veltech multitech in Chennai, and I got to know about Besant through my friend because he studied here in like automation and all that. So I took the full stack development course, master course with with internship, and my trainer is Akshay. He trained me in Java, and so I got placed in Flex with a CTC of 4.5 LPA. And thanks to my coordinator Karthik, and thanks to my GM Uday Kumar, because he gave me the overview about the course before I joined it, and thanks to this.